What's up? What's up, everyone? I have a bag full of latches, more batteries. Batteries weren't even a part of this project. Some more latches, some masking tape, some drill bits. We're gonna work in the van tonight. I normally wouldn't have recorded silly things like putting on latches and stuff, but I know when I first got into doing the van stuff, a lot of people would ask me silly questions like, how did I trim out the pieces of foam that fit on the roof? You know, did I make templates? What did I make the templates out of? So I figured, you know, since I'm doing this little stuff, I'm just gonna make a video of it, hopefully to curb some of those silly little questions. You gonna help me? Probably not, right? Probably not. Oh, you're really gonna come help me? I could use a helper. I sure could. Yes, I could. Why were you lying down? Disco. Helpers don't lie. Disco. That's not what a helper does. All right, let's get into this. I started to put one of these brackets into these cabinets here. On the top corner of this drawer, it started to split. I don't know if you guys can see that. This stuff is pretty lightweight wood. So today I went out and bought myself some drill bits. I'll find them in the bag here. Some drill bits. Hopefully running a little bit of a pilot hole is gonna help me get these brackets into this cabinet. Fingers crossed. I can't seem to get this thing open. Not a handy. It's got some little dowel and drills. All right, drill bits, check. Not really sure the size bit we're gonna need. All right, let's drive this hole in here and see if. See if this will stop the splitting of the wood. Okay, fingers crossed I didn't just drop. I'm losing the bits. Fingers crossed I just didn't drive that hole too big. Let's see if this puppy gets cracking. Fingers crossed. Woo! We in business. I think we ready. This is all working out. I probably could go one bit a little smaller, I think. Feels good. It's on there, it didn't split the wood at all. Now I'm wishing I would have used these on these cabinets because some of them I've got some cracking on the top. I mean, they're in there, they're locked in, they're good, but I'm not a handy guy, so I never thought about drilling that pilot hole first. So any carpenters out there, just have at it going chrome, chrome, chrome. You should have drilled the pilot hole first. Is it called a pilot hole? Sounds good to me. All right. This one I'm a little worried about because this one's going into the side of the cabinet. This better work. Woo! Ooh. I'm gonna go back with a bigger one. This one started to split just a little bit. We're gonna stick with the bigger one. It's in there pretty good. I got 3 latches on either side, which pretty much secure all the drawers. The bottom one has 2 of them. These drawers are actually really tightly fit. Like the drawer inside of this box is pretty snug. So I think the 1 latch on the end of each drawer will do it just fine. But the middle one here is the one that I'm a bit worried about, because even this latch here covers wider than what that center board is. But I think I'm going to throw it down bottom and putting the latchways downwards, because there's a little gap there. So I think when I put the latch on, I could leave the latch hanging down a little bit below and it not catch on those drawers. That's the last one to do. Down here a little bit. I think it's good not to touch the bottom of each drawer, so fingers crossed this thing goes in okay. Van's looking a little bit dirty around my helper. You're doing a good job there, Disco. A really, really good job. You're a damn good helper, I'll tell you that. At least he's cute, right? Alright, just gonna sweep the van out. And I'm not too sure if I'm gonna take on the other project tonight. What a mess in here. I was a bit unsure about putting latches on the outside of the cabinets, especially when I first put the cabinets in there. But, you know, after about a couple of days, for me, like, that looks like crap right now. But I forgot about the ones I put on those cabinets already. They just look like they belong there. So I'm sure those ones will have the same look to myself. As long as they stay in, who the hell really cares? I don't feel like working anymore. We're not gonna trim out the doors. I started to cut it and I never filmed it. And then I looked over there and I seen the color of, like, oh yeah. Woo. And the beautiful city skyline over there is about to pop once that sun goes down. We're not gonna do any more things tonight. I decided we're just gonna do this in the morning, so I will see you first thing in the morning.